Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to showcase our sandblasting machine on wooden parts. This product is the perfect option for domestic and residential use. You can easily strip any surfaces as you can see on the video, effectively and cheaply. It is also ideal for anyone looking to renew surfaces like glass, stones, metals etc. Vehicles and agricultural machinery can also be cleaned with ease. For further information about the Sandblaster, feel free to contact us through the email that you will find in the description. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. In that way it is a win-win situation for both of us. For info check the description and don't forget to check more sandblasting videos on our channel.